Infinitkin promises a smell-proof, waterproof, and dust-proof experience. So right off the bat, I love the discreet packaging. This is great for those who appreciate discreetness and privacy. I also appreciate your support, so click the link in the description if you want to buy this stash box right now. And now, taking it out of the box, I can see it's made with ABS plastic, which is known for its durability and resilience. It's a simple, sleek, modern design with a bit of a rugged element to it. I like that. It's smooth, but you can feel its durability and that it's made from premium materials. Okay, let's pop this sucker open and see what this bad boy's got to offer. Inside has got a lot more than I thought. It's jam-packed full of goodies. Let's see what we got here. Grinder. Small, but should be useful. A small storage container for extra little goodies. Always in need of one of these. Okay, some baggies. Should be good. These are good. You're gonna need that. A lock. And if I must say so myself, this is a super underrated item. The departments look like they're interchangeable with this apparently smell-proof, waterproof, and dust-proof material. Yeah, great. Everything looks so good. A decently sized cone loader. Super useful. You know, I'm really surprised at the quality of the materials. I didn't expect it to be such high quality for this bargain price. The interior mesh material appears to be removable. That's cool. I love that the company has packaged this box with so many thoughtful accessories. First up, we'll take a look at these 4.3-inch long storage tubes. These are useful. You know what you can put in here. You know, when you take a trip or you're walking around in your pocket, this will be good to keep it nice and safe. And they throw in 2 of them. That's a pretty good deal. The tray is surprisingly good material. Smooth and strong. It looks like it's aluminum on the back here, and it looks like it could get through some things. I'm not sure if it's exactly scratch proof, but it looks like quite a durable tray that will last me a while. I know this cone loader will be very useful, which comes in handy all the time. And when you lose it, you're back to pinching with your fingers, and nobody likes that. 2 small baggies. They're sealed pretty tight. Yeah, that's not easy to get into. That's great. Airtight, waterproof. Just enough room to store the most important things. These bad boys are like Fort Knox. A zinc alloy grinder. This is a really useful item to have. It's pretty small, but it'll be handy. Something you can keep in your pocket. And it breaks down into these sections, and it's got this great little brush that you can scrape off all the little leftovers. Probably can't hold much in it, but it'll do the job. I like the all black minimal aesthetics, but I wonder if the company's going to be releasing alternate colors in the future. This great little lock is really useful, especially if you don't live alone or you just value your privacy. Simple little 3-number code here. Let me see if I can reset it here. Okay, all zeros. And it's open. That was easy. Finally, a 2.3-ounce aluminum storage jar. This jar is surprisingly good quality, and it says it's 2.3 ounces. It looks a little bigger to me though. Well, here's everything all laid out nice and tight. That's everything. And let's see how this thing packs up together. Oh, and by the way, you can go to the link in the description to purchase this stash box if you think it's a good fit for you. I guess this is how I'd probably put it together. Looking at it all together, it's a pretty good deal. Being able to change the compartments in the box around is a really nice touch. It brings an element of customization to it. I appreciate that. Not exactly sure if this is what this is for, but this is how I'll use it. These nice little pockets. Let me know if I use this wrong. And finally, I'll put the tray up top here. Lock on for safekeeping. Yeah, it's nice and durable, very convenient, and I can tell it's going to keep all my possessions and belongings safe and sound. Overall, I'd have to say that the Infinitkin stash box is definitely a great value. It's packed full of goodies, made with high quality material, and has a sleek modern design that you'll enjoy very much.